What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's kind of a dumb but stupid video. Now, why do I say that? It's my day off. I'm bored. I don't like sitting moping around. So if you guys know, I have a 2020 Canam. It's too quiet for me. So I managed to have another stock downpipe. Now, what did I do? I hollowed out the cat. You guys can't see in there, but it is hollow. I took it out pretty much. Now, what is my main goal with this? My main goal with gutting the cat and everything is just to get more sound out of it. I want more turbo noise. That's my thing. We're gonna get a sound now, and it is warm. Why am I doing this when it's warm? Because I'm dumb and I'm probably gonna burn my hands like crazy, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a sound of it right now. Alright, so pretty simple. Like I said, I didn't get it. You might see it on there, but pretty simple. You just pop that off and you're exposed to pretty much the whole turbo. You just got to undo that V-band clamp right there. Now the only problem I'm having right now is it's hot. It's very hot. So I'm going to let it cool down a little bit.
That what we have was ever meant to last. Guess you made a fool of me. You got me confused, a little off balance. Thought I knew you, but you got bad habits. I only see blue when I'm thinking about you, thinking about you.
Alrighty, so we got them off. This is the old one. This is the other one that's gutted. This is off of a 2017, so I'm really happy that they look the same. I would thought they would have changed, but nope, they're actually the same. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna move the oxygen sensor on over. We're gonna put all the heat shielding on this one, and we should be all good. But man, that thing hurt. I burned my finger pretty good, and I don't know how I got these, but I just felt these. Scratched my arm. Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and get transferring them over and putting it back in. We got the springs back in, which is actually pretty easy. Alright, we weren't actually that difficult like I thought they were gonna be. Got the downpipe with all the heat shielding on. Everything's all back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oxygen sensor is plugged in. Turbo and everything with the V-band clamp is in and tight. So we're actually gonna start it right now. Alrighty guys, so just did a couple rips down the street, drove it up and down, got on it a couple times, and let me tell you what, it moves pretty good still. Just you got that turbo noise now, and that's something I always love. I think that's gonna finish up today's video. Like I said, today it was just a random, stupid, cool, cause I'm bored video. Worked out pretty good, sounds really good. Still rips, no overboosting issue, no nothing. Rip it up and down the street. Did a couple launches, runs perfect. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification anytime we upload. You guys will know. And remember guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.